Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. So today's video I'm really excited for. I just got this package from Vograce. These are some pins and a keychain that I had made for my eBay store, my little color mantras section of my Parker Sparrow eBay store. In case you missed it, I have just started selling some coloring related pins, art related pins, arts and crafts kind of related pins over on my eBay store. I did do a video, a quick video showing you guys what I had up. I have 3 designs at the moment. I have this one that says I have a theory. I have this one that says stay hydrated. That's a watercolor palette. And I also have this one, cup full of emotional support pencils. They're about 1.5 inches. They're acrylic. And I ordered these from Sticker Mule. I'm pretty new to ordering pins, and that was kind of the first one that popped up when I Googled acrylic pins or even enamel. I was looking towards enamel pins, but those are a little bit more expensive to make. Wasn't really ready to make that kind of commitment yet. But I actually think I like these better than enamel. I think these are a little bit more colorful and vibrant. And I do, for the most part, like how these came out. I had a little bit of defects with this style for some reason. I don't know what the problem was in making this one. It's a circle, so I don't know what happened with that one. But I had to get this one remade for me, which Sticker Mule was very accommodating. They remade my order for this one without any questions or anything. So they do have very nice customer service. They didn't have that many options that I was looking for. So I came across this other place called Vograce, and they look like they have a lot of really good reviews. There's some reviews up on YouTube that I watched. I think I saw some on TikTok. People were recommending this over Sticker Mule. So I said, let me give it a try. Their website is awesome. They have a really cool website. They have like everything. Like they have so many different things you can get. Pins, keychains, all different kinds of stuff. And you can get different sizes and different materials and different finishes and stuff. So I said, let me try it out. The prices were pretty reasonable as well. So let's see how they look. I got a restock on the color wheel pin that says I have a theory and stay hydrated. I ordered from here to see. I tried to keep it pretty much the same as the previous one, but I think there's gonna be a different look. So let's see. I'm a little bit nervous, and I got 2 other things to test out. So let's see how everything comes out. Packaged very nicely, and their customer service was really great too. They emailed me as soon as I placed my order, like maybe the next day. I was trying to get the order in before Halloween. I think I placed the order like maybe the end of September, and I know they were having some sort of festival, fall festival in China. That's where this company is located. So it took about a month between production and shipping. I chose the kind of medium shipping service. They have like a slower service, and then they have a more expedited service, probably like DHL or something like that. So I chose like the middle of the road shipping service, and I think I paid maybe around $20 for shipping for this size of a package. So pretty on point, pretty reasonable. I have ordered stuff from China in the past, like wholesale items from China in the past. So I am familiar with the time frames and the shipping options and the costs and everything. So pretty reasonable in my opinion. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's see what I got. Let's check out the pins first that I got restocked. and see, we'll do a comparison between these and the Sticker Mule ones. I didn't get a restock on the emotional support pencils because I do have still a fair a quantity on those. I think these packages are recyclable. I think I saw someone do a review on this, and I think that's what they said. Let me get down a little bit closer. What was really cool about these two was I was able to pick out the type of pin clutch I wanted. So on this one, I did do a little bit different. There is a little bit of a difference. There's more of a clear space around this one. It's flatter, I think. And instead of the lowercase I changed it to a capital I. And let's check. I do like that I was able to customize the pin backs. I got a purple heart for this one, whereas this one, they just have one standard black one. Let me not show you this one because I think this is one that was damaged. I do like that there's acrylic. The print looks like it's encased in acrylic instead of this one where it's on the outside where this could possibly get scratched up. This one doesn't run the risk of that. So I do like that better. This backing also looks like it's a little bit more secure in the acrylic. So stay hydrated. I think this one came out a little bit smaller than the original one. What do you think? I got a black pin clutch for this one. I have to figure out my profit margins and everything I have to do before I put these up as well. I think these might be a little bit cheaper than these when I put them up. This original one version I have up for $6 and shipping. So I gotta figure out if I could maybe do these possibly for $5 each, because I think these might have come out a little bit cheaper to make than these. Well, we'll see. There should be some kind of film on here too. Stay Hydrated is the most popular one, which I was surprised because that was actually the one that I thought of last minute, just because I was like, oh, I kind of should have more than 2 designs. And this ended up being the one people seem to like the most. All right, so I got these other 2 things kind of as a test. I was thinking in line for Halloween time, but also kind of, I wanted a little bit fashion. So I got some keychains made, but still kind of color related. I got this one. Let's see how she came out. This one says, "I'll stop wearing black when they invent a darker color." I could have gotten a design on the back side too. I really just wanted to do this one as a test and see how they were. So I think this is like maybe 2.5, 3 inches. I don't remember. So I have that one. I'm not sure when I'm going to price that one yet. And then I got one more design. This is the one that I'm most anxious about because I kind of did this one on a whim because I was watching American Horror Story, and I don't know if you guys have been watching the latest season, but one of the characters on there, she has this black purse and it says "Preach" on it. So I was like, oh, I should make one that says color on it. I don't know, I can't tell if this one has film on it or not because I don't see where I can get it off. But anyway, you can kind of tell it looks really cool. I think it looks cool. So I'm very happy with this one. I'm excited for this one. I got broken glass finish, like holographic finish, and an epoxy coating on top. And I got this black star pin back for the back. So plastic, I think the plastic coating is on the back. All right, maybe there's also some on the front and I just can't figure it out to get it off. I don't know, but I'll figure it out later, I guess. Okay, so let me know if you guys have any questions for me. If you are interested in any of these pins, I do have the old versions of I Have a Theory, Stay Hydrated, and the Emotional Support Pencils are up now in my eBay store. They're $6 each, plus shipping if you buy 2 or more. If you add 2 or more to your cart, it will be a flat $5.75 shipping, I think. If you don't want to use eBay, I could always invoice you through PayPal or something similar to that. These 2 items will be up very shortly. I'm trying to figure out if this has a film on the top or it just had it on the back. It's very strange. This is the only one I'm kind of like worried about because I think I can't tell if it has a film on it or not. And I'm worried I'm going to scratch it. But I guess this will just be my sample one we can experiment on, but it would kind of work for us in the coloring community, but also I thought it would be cool, like a fashion accessory as well. So I was having kind of Halloween vibes in mind when I made these. I was hoping they would get here in time for Halloween, which they did, but there's only like 1 week left. But maybe next year I'll come up with some good Halloween merch, pins or something coloring related for next year. We'll see how it goes. So I do have some plans to make some other art supply related merch. One of the ladies in the Coloring Divas gave me a really good idea to do needle minders. So I'm thinking about getting something similar to this, but without the pin backs, and do a double magnet on either side so you can keep track of your sewing, either your sewing needles or your embroidery needles. So I have that in the works as well. And let me know your opinion. Which ones do you like better? Did you like the older version better? You have the I Have a Theory with the lowercase I, and the new version with an uppercase I, and it's a little bit smaller with more acrylic space around it, like with clear space around it. That's all I have for you guys today. I really like the idea of having some stuff just basically for us in the coloring community, but it can be also spill over into other arts and crafts communities as well. So definitely let me know if you have any suggestions for me, and I hope you guys all have a really great rest of your day. Happy coloring, and I'll see you guys next time.